Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Setmore. Setmore is a powerful scheduling and booking platform that can help you save time and money. What is Setmore? Setmore is a cloud-based scheduling and booking platform that helps businesses manage their appointments and bookings. Setmore can be used for a variety of businesses, including doctors and dentists, lawyers and accountants, hairstylists and barbers, fitness trainers and yoga instructors, spas and massage therapists, tutoring centers and language schools, event planners and caterers, home service providers, and much more. How does Setmore work? Setmore works by allowing you to create a calendar of your available time slots. You can then set up your services and pricing and start booking appointments. Setmore will send out automated email and text confirmations to your clients, and it will also track your bookings and payments. What are the benefits of using Setmore? There are many benefits to using Setmore, including save time. Setmore can help you save time by automating your booking process. Increase revenue. Setmore can help you increase your revenue by making it easier for your clients to book appointments. Improve your customer experience. Setmore can help you improve your customer experience by providing a convenient and easy-to-use booking process. Get more organized. Setmore can help you get more organized by keeping all of your appointments and bookings in one place. How to get started with Setmore? Getting started with Setmore is easy. Just sign up for a free account and start using it today. What are some of the features of Setmore? Setmore has a number of features that can help you save time and money. Some of the most popular features include Calendar. The Setmore calendar allows you to view your available time slots and book appointments. Services. The Setmore services feature allows you to create and manage your services and pricing. Bookings. The Setmore bookings feature allows you to view and manage your bookings. Payments. The Setmore payments feature allows you to accept payments from your clients. Integrations. The Setmore integrations feature allows you to integrate Setmore with other software, such as Google Calendar, Zoom, and QuickBooks. How much does Setmore cost? Setmore offers a variety of pricing plans to meet your needs. There is a free plan available, as well as paid plans that start at $19 per month. Who should use Setmore? Setmore is a great tool for any business that needs to manage appointments and bookings. It is especially helpful for businesses that have a lot of clients or that offer a variety of services. Conclusion. Setmore is a powerful scheduling and booking platform that can help you save time and money. If you're looking for a way to improve your business, I highly recommend giving Setmore a try. In addition to the above, I would also like to add the following. Setmore is a very user-friendly platform. It is easy to learn and use, even if you are not tech-savvy. Setmore is a very affordable platform. The free plan is a great option for small businesses, and the paid plans are very reasonably priced. Setmore is a very reliable platform. It has been used by thousands of businesses for years, and it has a proven track record of success. I would also like to mention that Setmore is a great tool for businesses that are looking to grow their business. Setmore can help you attract new clients, increase your revenue, and improve your customer experience. Overall, I am very impressed with Setmore. I think it is a great tool for any business that needs to manage appointments and bookings. Thank you for watching.